Hi. What the hell? Oh. Fucking idiots. Fucking twats. Jesus Christ. They are so lucky it's not my bike. Fucking twat. So just on my shift today, a group of unwashed bull bags decided that it was a funny thing to push over my work bike. They were gonna steal it, they just kicked it over and laughed as they ran off. I was so tempted to run them over. Seriously. They're lucky it wasn't my bike, because if it was my bike, you wouldn't be hearing this from my voice, you'd be hearing it from a news reporter's voice. Don't make me catch you on your ones. These kids, they're gonna use excuse, oh, we had nothing better to do. Fuck off, man. Not once did I ever think, oh, you know what would be funny? what if I kicked this work bike? Yeah, that's a funny thing to do. You don't need to fucking watch some comedy shows or something. Develop a fucking sense of humor. It's only gonna get worse as this thing progresses. Why? I never understood this, right? If you're gonna be a scumbag, why would you prey on the poor? If you really want to fucking start a riot, go to fucking Westminster. Organise a cough outside the Houses of Parliament. Why are you gonna prey on people in your own ends? People who are clearly fucking struggling. You think I own that moped? No, fuck no. I mean, yeah, I got a better bike than that, but still, have some fucking respect for other people's shit. Well, they won't have respect for your life. Because if the police are not going to do anything, well, guess what, my friend? No one's going to do anything when you pass away, are they? Police won't give a fuck. Because they're too busy investigating other little shits who are doing the same thing. If the police are understaffed and under-resourced, they wouldn't be able to stop me. Fucking hell. More hearses, man. We're going to see a lot more of those. We might even stop that and start masquerade soon. Oh yeah, been practicing my body positions in the apocalypse. But only the top half, because if I lean the bottom half off, more likely to crash, and I can't afford a crash right now. But yeah, ideal time to try it. All these cars covered in dust, look at that. It's only been 2 days. 50,000 people used to live here. Now it's just a ghost town. Yeah, this is only 8 o'clock, by the way. And there's normally packed and there's no one here. Why have you taken this opportunity to take the R8 out? And why have you chosen to do it on the worst road for driving? That's what I don't understand. Like, are you trying to crash it? Yeah, essential journey, my ass. Jesus. You want a really bad insurance bill, don't you? Jumping out at an R8 like that. Prius went through a red light. Jesus Christ. jumpy little bastard. What are you doing? My God. It's so jumpy. Jesus, you're shit at driving. What is this monkey doing? Fucking beautiful. Oh, I could sit here all day, but it's irresponsible of me. This all happening to me today, man. My luck is not this bad. Come on, man. Hurry the fuck up. Sorry? 4, yeah. Why was that guy a bit aggressive, man? You chat this shit for someone in headbutting distance. Like, the guy was acting a bit aggressive to me and the cashier. The cashier was saying, next please. He was not fucking moving. So I was just standing there like, what do I do? And I've already had one thing happen today, like on this one delivery. Don't really want to fucking deal with another one. Like, you see me, I'm in a full suit of armor. You're just a drunk prick. It would take one headbutt from me and you're out for good. Because you'd land on a fucking hard floor. Actually, yeah, I prefer to punch him because I don't want to waste a helmet on a drunk. I don't know if he was trying to steal alcohol or what.